I was really drawn into the lifestyle of Falmouth. I really liked how the course was run, how we have the different disciplines, and the facilities here are great.
Textiles was like a good marriage between fine art and textiles. So when I found this course, it was like everything that I liked doing was kind of in one place.
The tutors are brilliant. I don't think anyone has a bad word to say about them. They're all really good in their individual disciplines, very highly educated, very experienced.
I think the contact time you have with the tutors would be a lot better in comparison to bigger universities.
Oh, they're so lovely. They're always there. They always walk past your desk, and if you're there, they'll come and have a chat to you and say how you're going. And you can book personal tutorials, which are a little bit more formal, but a lot of the time they just walk past and they're like, oh, I like this. Have you thought about this? Have you seen this person's work? Kind of go in that direction a little bit more. So they're always there, which is lovely.
As you progress with the degree and also your relationship becomes closer with your teachers, they do view you more as a designer, an artist, and also a friend. Yeah, we have guest lecturers, especially when we have ex-students come in and now they've got far in their careers. It makes you think, okay, I can actually do this.
We've had companies come in and do external briefs for us, so we work to their brief, so it's what you'd actually be doing if you were working in an industry. And also they encourage us to do placements as well, and they have great industry connections.
Collaboration is really encouraged, and I think that's very important. Going out into the industry, you need to learn how to work well with other people, and not necessarily people that are doing the exact same discipline as you. So it's good to get like an insight into what others are doing, because it's set out a lot like the real world would be.
So we have lots of weaving looms, digital and hand looms, and there's some great printing facilities. You can screen print and digital print, and then I do mixed media, and I really loved how many different sewing machines there are, all the different techniques you get to use, and especially the digital embroidery machine.
Falmouth gets you really ready for industry, so because you're using all of this really up-to-date software, it means that when you leave, you're there, you're ready, you know what you're doing, you have a good foundation in it. There is a big focus on sustainability at Falmouth. We're encouraged to think about our practices, especially with things like dyeing and printing, and the materials that we use, because obviously sustainability is a massive issue within the whole world at the moment. So they want us to be world ready when we leave here.
Yeah, they have our own garden that grows dyes in it, which we can use to dye our own yarns and fabrics.
It's really nice, it's very chilled out and calm, and it's within the walled garden as well. There's a little orchard in there, and we can use our own dye, and we can go eat some apples and just have a really nice time.
It's been really fun. I wouldn't have chosen anything else. I've loved being in Cornwall. People always say it's a little bit smaller, aren't you bored? But there's so much to do down here. I don't think I've ever been bored, and this course definitely keeps you on your toes.
I love Falmouth. I could not have picked a better place to be. It's just such a brilliant environment to be in, and I sort of don't want to move after I've graduated. Just want to stay here.
There is no other experience, the university experience like Falmouth. This place is really unique to other universities. It's so small and creative focused. You're going to meet so many like-minded people and have a really good time.